Q. What is UiPath Apps? A. UiPath Apps is a product offered by UiPath that allows users to create and deploy custom web and mobile applications without coding. It provides a low-code platform for building and distributing apps that automate tasks, streamline processes, and enhance user experiences. Q. Where do we use UiPath Apps? A. UiPath Apps is used in organizations where there is a need for custom applications to automate specific tasks or support business processes. It is particularly useful for citizen developers, business analysts, and power users who want to create tailored applications without extensive programming knowledge or reliance on IT teams. Q. How does UiPath Apps work? A. UiPath Apps provides a visual and intuitive interface where users can design out layouts, define workflows, and incorporate data inputs and outputs. It offers a wide range of pre-built components, templates, and integrations that can be customized to meet specific requirements. Users can create workflows using drag and drop functionality, connect to data sources, and define app logic through visual editors. Q. What are the benefits of using UiPath Apps? A. UiPath Apps offers several benefits. It empowers non-technical users to create their own applications, reducing reliance on IT resources and accelerating the app development process. Apps built with UiPath Apps can automate tasks, streamline processes, and provide customized user experiences. It enables organizations to quickly respond to changing business needs and enhance productivity by providing tailored solutions for specific use cases. Q. Can UiPath Apps be integrated with other UiPath products? A. Yes, UiPath Apps seamlessly integrates with other UiPath products, such as UiPath Studio and UiPath Orchestrator. Apps created in UiPath Apps can be triggered and executed by automation workflows created in UiPath Studio. Orchestrator can be used to manage, schedule, and monitor the execution of apps, ensuring seamless integration with other automation activities. Q. Is UiPath Apps suitable for both web and mobile applications? A. Yes, UiPath Apps is suitable for both web and mobile applications. It provides a responsive design framework, allowing apps to adapt to different screen sizes and device types. Apps built with UiPath Apps can be accessed through web browsers or deployed as mobile apps for iOS and Android devices, providing flexibility and accessibility for end users.